Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What is RTGS? RTGS is a fund transfer system of banks to transfer money or securities from one bank to another bank on a real time and gross basis to avoid settlement risks. For example, a concern or individual wants to transfer money from bank A to from bank B by the media of central bank. What is real time? Real time means a payment has no waiting period. Transaction is settled as soon as they are processed. What is gross settlement? Gross settlement means the transaction is settled on one-to-one basis without binding or netting with any other transaction. What is settlement? Settlement means that one processed payment are final and irrevocable.